Math 6, Module 6, Lesson 12. Number 1 says, what is the median age for the following data set representing the ages of students requesting tickets for a summer band concert? Explain your reasoning. Anybody can tell me the median of this? It's the middle. So what is the middle? Well, it looks like there's 4 here and 4 here, which means the middle would be 16. Or we can count up. How many do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 divided by 2 is 4.5, and we always round up to 5. So the fifth value is the median. 5 is not the median. The fifth value is the median. That's how you can find that. Now, number 2 says, what is the median number of diseased trees from a data set representing the number of diseased trees on each of 12 city blocks? Explain your reasoning. Now, what do we got to do here, Simon? You cannot look at it and do it. You have correct. You have to order them how? Smallest to the largest, least to greatest. You have to order to find the median. You have to order them from least to greatest. So let's rewrite them. We have 1, 3, 3, 4. Nope, we got 3 threes, don't we? 3, so mark them off as you do. 4, 6, nope, 8, 8, 8, 9, 11, 12. So, now that we've got that, now we can say, how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, what's 12 divided by 2? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is that the number? Okay, so if it's not perfectly in the middle when we divide by 2 there, what do we do? That divides, if you can do it evenly like that, where we have 12 divided by 2, that means that this group of 12 will divide evenly into halves. Sits on one side, sits on the other, right? So the numbers 6 and 7, in between those two, are going to be your median. So 6 and 7 right here is your 2 middle numbers. So we're going to now add those. 6 plus 8 divided by 2, that's 14. Divided by 2 is 7. 7 is the median, even though 7 is not even a data point. That's not even in the data. 7 is still your median. Okay? Number 3. Describe how you would find the median for a set of data that has 35 values. How would this be different if there were 36 values? Just like we did. If there's 35 values, how would we find the median? We would order the data. Data from least to greatest. That's number 1. Number 2, we would say 35 divided by 2 is 17.5, and we're going to round that up to 18, and the 18th value is the median. Okay? So when it's an odd number, we're going to divide by 2 and round up to the nearest whole number. That number, like 18, tells us that the 18th value is the median. Okay? Now, it's different when there are an even number. Because the even number tells us that it can be divided into 2 equal wholes, correct? Yeah. You can split it, or we can half it, where there's equal on each side. So, when there's 36, we'll call this A, and we'll call this B for 36 here. Once again, number 1, we're still going to order it. Order the data, least to greatest. 2, we're still going to divide by 2. And we get 18. Now that tells us that there's going to be 18 on the left and on the right. We can split it right down the middle. So then we're going to take the 18th and 19th value, and we're going to find the mean. Well, how do you find the mean? You would take the 18th value, add it to the 19th value, and divide by 2. And that is your median for that. Okay?